Hi everyone, in this video I want to talk about what happens to our body if we only consume lemon for just 1 month.
Many people are unaware of the effects of consuming fresh and natural lemon on the body. Lemon is one of the most valuable fruits in nature for treating diseases, as you will conclude yourself by the end of this video. So I recommend you to accompany me until the end of this video.
Vitamin C reduces the risk of stroke and heart diseases. And 1 lemon provides about 30 milligrams of vitamin C to our body, which meets about 40% of our daily vitamin C needs.
Regular consumption of lemon also reduces cholesterol levels in our body. Lemon also has the ability to reduce the fat content in our liver, and greatly helps in detoxifying the liver.
Lemon has anti-aging effects. The vitamin C present in lemon stimulates collagen production in the skin and reduces skin damage and signs of aging, increases skin firmness, delays the appearance of wrinkles, and brightens the skin.
Lemon also helps you lose weight by reducing our blood sugar levels and preventing insulin resistance.
Regular consumption of lemon also helps to dissolve kidney stones.
A research result at Harvard University shows that regular consumption of lemon reduces the risk of uterine cancer, stomach cancer, and prostate cancer by 25% and also prevents the spread of cancer cells.
Adding half a cup of lemon juice to drinking water and consuming it every morning helps prevent and treat urinary tract infections. The vitamin C present in lemon prevents bacterial growth by acidifying the urine.
Lemon contains a suitable amount of minerals. 100 grams of lemon contains 26 milligrams of calcium and 138 milligrams of potassium. The presence of calcium in lemon helps maintain healthy bones, control blood pressure, and also helps in the secretion of hormones and enzymes that we need in our body.
Lemon also helps prevent bleeding gums, varicose veins, sore throats, treatment of dandruff, and even lemon sniffing induces nervous relaxation and increases concentration.
Drinking honey syrup, combination of honey with lemon juice, also helps a lot to eliminate stomach microbes.
If you have clogged heart arteries, we recommend that you grate 7 cloves of garlic and then take the juice of 3 lemons and mix it with 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. And then pour this into a glass of water and then drink this mixture. Do this for 10 days and then don't consume it for a week. And then start consuming this mixture again after 7 days. Eating this mixture greatly helps in opening your heart arteries. I also recommend that during the consumption of this mixture, be sure to walk for at least 50 minutes a day and use less animal products and more vegetarianism to achieve excellent results.
We tried in this video to introduce you to the properties of lemon. I hope this video has been useful for you. Share the link to this video to give health to your loved ones. The Best of Show channel wishes you health. In order not to miss our next videos, you can click on the subscribe button and the bell. Thanks for accompanying me on this video. Bye bye.